Types A and B together can fill an empty water tank in 8 days. So A and B can fill it in 8 days. B and C together can fill it in 9 by 5 days, which is 9 into 5, 45 plus 3, 48 by 5 days. Only type A is open on the first day, then type B is open on the second day, and type C is open on the third day. And this process is repeated till the tank gets completely filled. Okay. How many days are required to fill 3/4 of the tank if type A is twice as efficient as type B? So we need, first of all, the capacity of the tank, right? Now the capacity of the tank, let's take a number which is going to be divisible by 8 and 48 easily. So let's take this as 400 or let's say 48 liters. So if this is 48 liters, that means the efficiency of A and B together will be 6 liters every day, and that of B and C will be 48 cancels out, so 5 liters. Now since A is twice as efficient as type B, that means A should be filling twice of what B fills. So B should fill 2 liters, A should fill 4 liters, and if B is filling 2 liters, C should fill the remaining 3 liters out of 5 liters. Are we supposed to fill the complete tank? Only 3/4 of it. So that means we are supposed to only fill 36 liters. So these 36 liters is going to be filled in an order which is A and then B and then a C. So this is going to be 9 liters in 3 days. So if I multiply it by 4, so this is in 3 days. 3 days time. If I multiply it by 4, so in 12 days, we should be able to fill the entire 36 liters. So 12 is our answer.